Blue cheese. I'm addicted to blue cheese. Hey peeps, what's up? How y'all doing? Hope everybody doing great today. You know, it's a beautiful Saturday morning. The sun is out shining. You understand? So, gotta give thanks again for another new day. But as I said, you know, today I'm walking over there to check out the farm. You know what I mean? You guys saw the video I put up with the organic farming. I plant a lot of seeds, so I'm looking for them to start to germinate. So I'm going over there to check. I did call Quincy, I think like day before yesterday. He told me that he saw the, I think it was a watermelon. He saw the watermelon seeds. They were growing. So that's a good thing. I know the weather has been up and down, guys, going from hot and cold, and that's not good. You know, I wanna see some temperature over 70 degrees Fahrenheit. And so far, I've been seeing some temperature dropping, you know. Like last night, it was a little cold. You know, it was a little cold yesterday. And that's really not good. But hopefully that, you know, I mean, the temperature goes back up. Because we need that tropical weather in order for my stuff to start, my farm to, you know, start to grow the right way. So hopefully that the weather change and we can get it the way we want it. Yes, guys, today I'm walking with a box right here. In my box, I have some lettuce growing. You understand? I plant these in the house, and they are growing. I have some scallion as well, growing. So I'm gonna take them over to the farm and transplant them. So you guys will stay with me, stay tuned, and you'll see what I'm doing. Okay, guys, I'm at the car right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my box down. Yeah. Come on. All right. Get my stuff in here. Probably put it in the trunk. Yeah. Get it in the trunk. Okay, here we are. Get in the trunk. I hope anything don't spill. Alright. Okay guys, time for us to get going. So yeah, let's hit the road.
Welcome back to BlakeWrTv. Today we're going over to see the plants weeping. This is a part 3.
Okay, hear what he said, guy? Little Aiden said this is a part 3 of the organic farming. We're gonna go check on the farm, you know what I mean, see how it's coming along. And I'm taking you guys along for the ride. So stay tuned, guys. Soon get there. Alright, hope everybody have a blessed day. Yes, guys, we were hungry, so we stopped and get me some Jamaican, what them say, Jamaican beef patty. Start mash up here already. Two of them. Jamaican beef patty. So who don't love Jamaican beef patty? Okay, guys, thank you for being here with us today. It's kind of early, you know. The labels say about 14 days really, for the seeds to start to grow. As you can see behind me, we are still waiting for all of them to germinate. A few of them start to grow, but the majority of them haven't been growing yet. So we're gonna check back again and let you guys know how they are coming along. Remember, I told you in the beginning of the video, guys, we're gonna keep you through the whole journey from growing to harvesting, and we're gonna keep you guys posted and show you how this thing progresses along. So stick with us, stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and stay with the channel, guys. Join this Facebook, the YouTube family. Yeah, I know what time it is. Follow me on Instagram, BlakeWrTv Kitchen. One word, no space. Okay, guys, we are here, but as you can see, only a few things growing because we have to wait some more for the seeds to germinate. We have some pepper over here growing, but over here is where the majority of the seeds are. And I don't see much things growing yet. So So the package did says we gotta wait between 10 to 14 days for the carrots and the cucumber and all them stuff to start to grow. So we're still waiting. We're gonna go ahead and just plant the stuff that we brought over here and give it some more time to start to grow. Just go ahead and water the beds, so making sure that they have enough water without overwatering them. So this is what it looks like.
The other way. The other way.
Okay. Time for us to wrap this up. Press the button.
Yeah.
The other one.
This?
Yeah, the one with the trunk.
Yeah, this?
Yeah, press it to hold it.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah. Guys, on our next video we're gonna keep it delicious and healthy. You know what time it is. Your boy Blake's in the house teaching you how to cook like a Jamaican, like a pro cook on your yard, eat for your yard.